Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome video. Now, this video is going to help you now with all that's going on with the situation that we were talking about the other day that got us all locked up in the house. Well, this is going to help to boost your immune system up. And it is delicious, okay? I call it the turmeric ginger honey bomb, and it's so easy to make, okay? So let me show you the things you're gonna need. As you see right in front of you, you're gonna need some fresh ginger root. You're also gonna need a lemon, full lemon. We're gonna need a few cloves of our garlic. We're gonna need some black pepper. We're going to also need some organic honey. Now, if you have Manuka honey, that's even better because of the quality of honey that it is. It's much tastier and it's more beneficial. But if you don't have that, this is just as good, okay? Organic honey is just as good. You're also going to need some organic turmeric powder, okay? And some cayenne pepper. All right, so let me just show you what you're going to need. Oh, you're also going to need a jar to store it in, measuring spoons, a grater, and a bowl. So what I'm going to do first is take my lemon, and all I'm going to need is the zest of the lemon. So you're going to get your grater, and we're just going to take the zest off of it. So you're just going to put all of that in your bowl, all of this deliciousness. And now we're going to be using our little container. Okay, the first ingredient we're going to need is our turmeric powder, and we're going to need 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Okay, and you're going to put that in your jar. Next, we're going to add in the complete zest of our lemon. You're just going to put that inside. Put it inside of your jar. So now we're going to crush up at least 3 of our garlic cloves, and all we need is a teaspoon. So I'm going to mince this up real quick. Okay, and you're going to add that inside of your jar as well. Now we're going to need 1 tablespoon of our ginger root, and we're going to grate our ginger. I love me some ginger. Oh my gosh. You must keep ginger in your house, y'all. Ginger is definitely immune boosting, cold fighting herb that does your body wonderful. Okay. Okay. So now that our ginger is all grated up, we're gonna need 1 tablespoon. Wow, that was good. 1 tablespoon, y'all. Now we're going to need our black pepper. Now whenever you use turmeric, you must use some black pepper for the digestion. It digests foods better. Alright, so just 1/4 teaspoon. And you're also going to need at least 2 dashes of cayenne pepper. Okay, I have a little spoon in here that's called a dash. So I'm just going to put 2 little dashes of that in there. Oops. And next we're going to need 1/4 cup of our honey. Okay, and then you just, after you finish, you pop the top on it and you store it in your refrigerator. Okay, so this is a really powerful immune boosting tonic, and every day, like I said, you take a teaspoon of that, you boost your immune system up. It tastes wonderful. This is also good for the children. You really don't taste the cayenne pepper in there, but this is a wonderful way to boost your body up, to get rid of the mucus and phlegm that might be in your body, and store it in your refrigerator, and it can last up for a little while in the refrigerator. Okay, all right y'all, so this is wonderful for now. Start getting your family on this. If not this one, this is the turmeric ginger honey balm. If not this one, then you can also check out my video for the vitamin C lemon balm, which is just the same as this but a little bit different. Okay, it's powerful. I got my whole family on it. All right, so you guys, I thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check down below for these wonderful herbs and spices that I have down there that's going to blow your mind. It's going to boost your immune system up. It's going to build it up. I also have herbs down there for weight loss. Okay, it's going to get you to shed down the water weight in your body and slim down for the summer, as well as some other honey herbs that I have down there for men. Okay, specifically for men, to boost them up. Okay, boost them up, and you know what, boost it up. All right, so check down below in the eBay store for the links for those items as well. Don't forget to also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare videos, family challenges, fashion hauls, and vlogs, which I haven't done much of that lately, but you will see that more. Go over there, subscribe to that channel. Also hit that notification bell and set their personalization button to all, so you will not miss another video on that channel as well. All right, so you guys, until the next time, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.